would have helped if I'd have been taping whenever I said all of it, wouldn't it? Anyhow, and in the garden, you can just see them matted all over it.
See how it's just swaying?
Yep, wind making the limbs sway up and down.
And they're just crawling.
And they're just crawling all around on it. Not bothered by it. Looks like a big fur ball on it, you know. That is so cool. 8 feet from the camera right now. Alright, well. There's one queen on there. And she has left another one out there in the hive to carry the hive on out there. And there's a scouting off somewhere right now looking a suitable place for her. The rest of these. As soon as she finds it, she'll come back, communicate that to the queen where it is. They'll all fly off to the new place, start a new hive. So cool.